So now there is only one presentation, and this is my presentation, and it's titled Conclusions. Quite hard to make one conclusion, and therefore, before conclusions, I start with acknowledgements. First of all, I would like to thank all our today's speakers. This was very hard to believe that through this snow and fog and so on, all people can do the travel. And they did, so thank you very much, and it's really greatly appreciated. I am very grateful to Viktor Mutt, because his few words, it's a short presentation, gave completely different dimension to this event. So we heard about peptides and diseases and drugs, but now we have completely different, or many of us have completely different understanding of personality. Then about conclusions. First conclusion is about integration. It was quite clear from today's scientific talks that real things can be made if you know different things. If you know chemistry, biology, medicine, physiology, and this is good message for young students and people who are going to university today, because I think that to limit education to chemistry or to medicine or to biology separately there is no perspective. And this I try to also to transfer this message to our school children and maybe teachers. The second point is that if we are talking about foreign people or foreign scientists, Estonian people in foreign countries, and this was the first talk, Tiit made some kind of summary. For a small nation, this is a big problem. And there is only one option to fight with such a problem is to have a contact. To have a contact physically, to have a contact mentally, to remember. And I think that today's meeting is contributing to this part of our knowledge. We have missed a lot of good opportunities to thank Viktor, but now we at least made some contribution. And then the last conclusion is that the title points that this meeting was about history of science, history of peptide chemistry, history of neuropeptides, and so on and so on. But I think that the main conclusion from today's is that this topic was about future. I think that it was very clear that there is a huge potential in all these works which were done by Viktor and which were done by his colleagues and cooperating laboratories and students. And let's see, maybe in 100 years there will be another symposium devoted to peptides and neuropeptides and so on, And then we already know how these things are doing great things in practical medicine and practical pharmacology and so on and so on. And finally, I would like to thank all staff of Academy office. These ladies helped us a lot to do this important event. And once more, I thank everybody who attended, and I thank everybody who were here and listened to these talks, and especially those people who made these talks.